Hello guys, today I will talk about the basics of web designs. Web design encompasses the overall process of creating a website. It includes several disciplines such as web graphic design, interface design, authoring, user experience design, and search engine optimization. Scope: web design is broader and includes multiple elements such as layout, color schemes, typography, graphic images, content creation, and responsiveness to different devices. Goal: the main goal is to create visually appealing and functional website that provides a positive user experience and achieve the website's objective. Example: information dissemination, sales, and engagement. Responsibilities: web designers are responsible for creating the overall look and feel of the website. This includes designing the layout, ensuring it is responsive, and integrating branding elements to make the site aesthetically pleasing and cohesive.